Hi guys! Today we're going to fix the WhatsApp device storage is full problem. First of all, unlock your phone and open WhatsApp like you normally do. Now look at the bottom right side and tap on your profile icon. This will open your settings section where you can control different options. It might seem simple, but this is where we'll find the storage tools. Once you're in settings, scroll down a little and find the storage and data option. Go ahead and tap on it because this is where WhatsApp manages all your media and storage usage. This section is very important for fixing the issue. Now, inside storage and data, you'll see the Manage Storage option. Tap on it and WhatsApp will show you all the files that are taking up space. This is where you can actually free up storage easily. Here you'll see a section called Review and Delete Items, especially large files. Tap on those files because they are usually the main reason your storage gets full. Clearing these will quickly free up a lot of space. Now tap on Select at the top right, then choose Select All from the bottom. After that, simply tap the Delete icon to remove everything. This will instantly clear unnecessary files and fix the storage issue. So yeah, that's how you can easily fix the WhatsApp storage full problem. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below if you want more simple and useful tutorials like this.